In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log in to Notion on desktop. If you are new to Notion or you've just installed the desktop app, this quick walkthrough will help you get set up smoothly so you can jump right into your notes, docs, and projects without any confusion. First, open the Notion app on your Mac or Windows computer. On a Mac, you can find it in your Applications folder or search for it using your system search. On Windows, look for it in your Start menu or search bar. Once you launch the app, give it a moment to load. If you are already signed in from a previous session, you may go straight to your workspace. If that happens, you are all set and don't need to take any additional action today. If you are not signed in, you'll see a welcome screen with an option to log in. Click the Login button. This brings up the standard sign-in page, and you'll see a few familiar choices. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or sign in using your email address. Pick the option that matches the way you originally created your Notion account or the one you prefer to use to keep everything consistent. If you select Continue with Google, Notion will connect through your Google account to confirm it's you. The Continue with Apple option works similarly using your Apple 499 for authentication. Both are convenient if you like single sign in the email option and enter the address associated with your Notion account. Using the correct address ensures you'll land in the right workspace with your existing pages and settings. After you choose your sign-in method, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Keep your web browser available, because some authentication flows may briefly open a window or tab to confirm your identity before returning you to the Notion app. When the sign-in completes, the app will load your workspace so you can start creating or editing right away. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the login button, you are likely already signed in. If the app doesn't open or seems out of date, installing the latest version can help. And if you use Notion for work or school, make sure you choose the sign-in option your organization prefers to keep everything in sync. That's all you need to log in to Notion on desktop. Thanks for watching.